Okay, for this next part of the lesson, I want to have a look at used to. Do you remember when we did this? Used to is something we use in a sentence to talk about something we did regularly in the past. Okay, so let's have a look at a few examples. I used to read comics. I used to read comics. Okay, I can be he, can be she, we, you, my mum, scientists, okay, my dog, my cat, anything, okay, any person. Used to is always the same. We don't change it. Read. The verb after used to is always infinitive, okay? So we don't need to change it. We don't change it in the past, the present. We don't need to change it for the person, okay? So we don't say he used to reads, okay? No, read or whatever verb you use always stays in the infinitive, okay? And then comics, okay? Whatever the object is at the end, whatever we're talking about, basically, okay? So, I used to read comics. He used to listen to music, okay? Can you see I've changed I with he, and used to stays the same, listen infinitive, and then the rest of the sentence. He used to listen to music. They used to be friends, okay? We used to watch TV every day, okay? Same structure. We used to watch TV every day, okay? My cat used to eat fish. Another thing we can do is add a longer sentence, okay? But we need to add that, okay? For example, I used to think that teachers were boring. Now I think that they are interesting, okay? Were is in the past, okay? Because we're talking about something that I used to think, okay? I used to think that teachers were boring. I can't say I used to think that teachers are boring because we're talking about a past thought, okay? Now, okay, so now in the present, I think that they are interesting, okay? So be careful to use the correct timing, okay? The correct time of your verb, okay? Were boring, are interesting. So I used to think that teachers were boring. Now I think that they are interesting. Scientists used to think that dinosaurs couldn't climb trees, but now they think that some dinosaurs could climb trees. Okay, remember the past simple of can is could, and obviously negative is couldn't. Okay, so scientists used to think that dinosaurs couldn't climb trees, so they could not climb trees, but now they think that some dinosaurs could climb trees. Now, why have I used the past twice? Why am I using could to talk about what they now think? It's very simple, because we're still talking about something in the past, okay? So now they think, okay, this is the present, but we can't say now they think some dinosaurs can climb trees because there are no dinosaurs, okay? So scientists used to think that dinosaurs couldn't climb trees, but now they think that some dinosaurs could climb trees, okay? So you need to think about the topic, okay? You need to think about what you're saying. If you're talking about something that's always in the past, even if it's something different that you think now, you have to use another past verb, okay? Scientists used to think that all dinosaurs had hard scaly skin like lizards, but now they think that many dinosaurs had feathers. Okay, this is the same as the previous one. They used to think that they had is the past tense of have, as you know. But now they think that many dinosaurs had feathers. Okay, it's the same here. We can't say now they think that many dinosaurs have feathers, okay, because there are no dinosaurs, okay? Is that clear? Okay. Let's have a look at our dinosaur page 83, I think it is. It's the next page from Dinosaur Discoveries, okay? In my book or the digital version, the pages are different, so bear with me. Okay, so we're going to have a look at these discoveries again, the timeline. Let's just remind ourselves what was discovered. Okay, so it was discovered that birds are living dinosaurs. Most dinosaurs were warm-blooded. Many dinosaurs had feathers. Some dinosaurs climbed trees, and some dinosaurs had poisonous bites. Okay, what we're going to do now is look at the next page and read some paragraphs, okay? So a longer sentence. They give more information about each discovery, okay? Obviously, it doesn't say which discovery they're talking about, which is what we need to do today. So, can you see all of these paragraphs in the coloured boxes have a letter, A, B, C, D, E, okay? What we need to do is write the letter of the paragraph next to the purple box of the discovery, okay? So let's just have a read of them together. A. Scientists used to think that all dinosaurs had scaly skin like lizards. Now scientists have found fossils of dinosaurs which had feathers. Okay. B. Scientists used to think that dinosaurs had no living relatives. Now, scientists think that over millions of years, small dinosaurs became birds. C. Scientists used to think that there were no poisonous dinosaurs. Recently, scientists discovered a dinosaur with teeth like a poisonous snake. D. Scientists used to think that dinosaurs were cold-blooded, like snakes. Then they discovered that dinosaur bones were like the bones of other warm-blooded animals. E. Scientists used to think that dinosaurs couldn't climb trees. Then scientists in China discovered small dinosaurs which used their claws to climb trees. Okay, if you want, just read them again to yourselves, okay, and decide which letter goes with which purple box on the timeline, okay? Okay, let's have a look at number 4. Write. Write sentences that say what scientists used to think about dinosaurs and what they think now. Okay, so look at the example next to the hen. Scientists used to think that dinosaurs had no living relatives, but now they think that birds are living dinosaurs. Okay, in your exercise books, write some sentences saying what scientists used to think about dinosaurs and what they think now. Okay, so just write down a few sentences. You can do this after watching this video, of course. Okay? Now, look at number 5, the use of English. Find the answers to these clues. Okay? If you're wondering, what's a clue? We see this a lot, especially when we play games, when we do quizzes, okay, especially when we do crosswords, okay. A clue is information that tells us what we're looking for, Okay, something that gives us a bit more information to be able to guess the right answer. Okay, to choose the correct word. Okay, they're clues. So, the first clue is, it's an animal which lived millions of years ago. It's an animal which lived millions of years ago. What do you think the answer is? That's right, it's a dinosaur. Okay, next one. It's a person who studies science. It's a person who studies science. What do you think this is? Okay, is it a doctor? Is it a taxi driver? Is it a baker? Nope. It's a scientist. Okay, so it's a person who studies science. The answer is a scientist. Okay? Okay. We're going to stop this video now, and I'm going to set you some exercises to do in your activity book. Okay? So, I will speak to you again soon. Bye.